Hi, Lana.
Hi.
All right. Okay. We're at the mall right now, and we hit some of the Gumball machines again. And it looks like Lana is going to be trying to get her hands on one of these Buildable figurines. Okay, Lana, which one do you want?
I like Super.
You want to go? You want to try to get Superman?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's see if we can get him. All right. So it's going to cost us $1. It's great. There we go. She's putting it all in there. All right, good luck, Lana. Cross your fingers, okay? Okay, let's see here. Last quarter inside. Okay, there we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Superman. Uh-oh. What is that? It's Superman! Oh my god!
I got Superman!
Let me see, let me see.
I got Superman!
Let me see it, let me see it, let me see it. Superman. Oh wow.
Superman.
That is awesome. Okay. All right, Lana, say bye.
Bye.
Check out Lana's other videos. New videos out every week.
See you later.